A'udhu billahi as-sameel alim minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Before we begin the proper sessions, you are requested to introduce yourself, your name and the area you belong to. Please.
I am Shoaib Haider. I'm from Ramzan Colony.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Amir Haider. I am from Jauharabad.
Okay, block number 4.
I am Asif Ahmed. I am from Zaman Colony, Jauharabad.
Very good.
This is Mubashir Sharif, belong to Khushab.
Belong to Khushab. Okay, please.
My name is Mohammad Ahsan. I belong to National Colony number 2.
Okay.
My name is Mohammad Jawad from Khushab.
Very good bit.
My name is Burhan Wali Khan. I belong to Mian Wali.
Very good bit.
My name is Muhammad Walid and I am from Jauharabad, Aslam Colony.
From Aslam Colony, Jauharabad. From Jauharabad, District Khushab. Not from District Khushab, Jauharabad. Please, your turn.
It's Muhammad Asghar and I belong to Bitta.
Very good bit. Please.
My name is Muhammad Ahmad Sultan and I belong to Asif Town.
Very good.
My name is Hafiz Zia and I belongs to Khushab.
Very good. Please.
My name is Ghulam Abbas from Khushab.
Very good. Ready?
Yes, sir.
So, we are going to have the 5th session today. So far, we have gone through 4 different kinds of formats of questions. I mean, how to ask questions. So, the first question is the do question. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Ask me the question, please. The do question.
Do you read?
Excellent.
Do you take?
Excellent. The point is clear?
Yes.
Do you speak? Do you read? Do you study? Do you understand? Do you misunderstand? Do you open? Do you close? Do you give? Do you take? Clear? Yes. This was the do question, the first format. And in the second session, we practiced now how to ask the what question. Anybody can ask the what question?
What do you speak?
Very good. What do you speak? What do you eat? What do you read? What do you understand? What do you misunderstand? What do you avoid? What do you accept? And so on. And the third format was the where question. The where question. For example,
Where do you speak?
where do you speak? Where do you eat? Where do you sleep? Where do you stay? Where do you live? And so on. Clear?
Yes.
And the fourth question which we practiced yesterday was the when question. What? The when question. What is that? When do you take tea? When do you take exercise? When do you enter SILAH? When do you leave SILAH? And so on. Today we are going to begin with the 5th format as far as asking questions is concerned. I mean, the how question. What?
How?
The how question. I'm going to request Mr. Shoaib Haider to please come at the dais and take the questions of your classmates or batchmates. Please. See, what is the how question? How do you speak English?
I speak English fluently.
Very good. So the first answer is LY.
Yes.
What?
LY.
LY.
Yes, sir.
How do you eat food?
I eat food mannerly.
Excellent. Now, how do you drive?
I drive safely.
How do you offer prayer?
I offer prayer humbly.
Humbly. Very good. This is the first way of responding to the how question. What's that? LY. Please listen to him. As the answer is over, I will ask you the question. Format is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Your turn, please.
How do you write the letter?
Very good.
I write the letter confidently.
You write the letter confidently, creatively, lovingly, wholeheartedly. Say clearly, beautifully, attractively, ideally, pragmatically. What's clear? Convincingly. How does he write the letter?
He writes the letter clearly.
Very good. Your question, please.
How do you drive a car?
I drive the car slowly.
You drive the car
Slowly.
Man, how does he drive the car?
He drives the car slowly.
Very good. Please.
How do you play cricket?
I
Excellent.
play cricket aggressively.
You play cricket
Aggressively.
like that of a Fredi,
Yes, sir.
like that of a B. de Villiers, like that of... You play cricket aggressively.
Yes, sir.
Mister, how does he play cricket?
He plays cricket aggressively.
Very good, beta. Your turn.
How do you go to the mosque?
I go to the mosque punctually.
Punctually. How does he go to the mosque?
He goes to the mosque punctually.
Punctually. Okay, please, your turn.
How do you work?
I work repeatedly.
I work honestly. I work devotedly.
Yes, sir.
I work dedicatedly.
Yes, sir.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
I work interestedly.
I work wholeheartedly.
Wholeheartedly.
Yes, sir.
How does he work?
He works wholeheartedly.
Your question, please.
How do you deliver the lecture?
Very good.
I deliver the lecture clearly,
Clearly, professionally,
professionally,
committedly, easily, very simply, logically, rationally, convincingly,
reasonably.
lovingly,
Yes, sir.
lovingly, friendly.
Friendly.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
Strictly. How does he deliver the lecture?
He delivers the lecture confidently.
Clearly, professionally, properly. Sounds clear? Man, your turn.
How do you observe the people?
Excellent.
I observe the people keenly.
Very good. You observe the people keenly.
Yes, sir.
How?
Keenly.
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 How does he observe the people?
He observes the people keenly.
Excellent. This is the first way to respond to the how question. Clear? My question to you all. During 24 hours, what do you do and how? During 24 hours.
I watch videos on YouTube and I watch them keenly.
You watch the videos on YouTube keenly.
Yes.
Please.
I eat food mannerly.
Very good, beta. You eat food mannerly.
I help the poor wholeheartedly.
Very good. You help the poor wholeheartedly. Excellent.
I offer the Fajr prayer excitedly.
Very good. You offer the Fajr prayer, Fajr, wal Fajr wal layal in Ashra. You offer the Fajr prayer excitedly. Excellent. Ji beta.
I listen to lecture attentively.
Absolutely right. Ji beta.
I drive a car slowly.
Very good. You drive the car slowly. Ji beta.
I translate the Holy Quran regularly.
Very good, beta. You translate the Quran regularly. Excellent. Honestly.
I attend my guests properly.
Ready? Yes, sir. The first way to respond to the whole question is LY. LY. We are moving to the second way. You are ready for that? Yes, sir.